On time. On time. In time? In time. Ooh.
Hey everyone, let's talk about the two expressions of time, on time and in time. On time means something that happens at an arranged or scheduled time. So it's at a specific. And in time means something happens within a specific amount of time. So this thing happens before time expires or before it is too late. Let's look at some examples of these expressions in action. Okay, so let's imagine that I have a meeting at 10 o'clock and I look at my watch and my watch says that it is 9:55. So I have arrived for my meeting on time. In fact, I'm even a little bit early. And we can use this example in pretty much most cases where something has been scheduled for a specific point in time. So if instead of a meeting, I have to go to the dentist and my appointment is at 8 a.m. and I arrive at 8 a.m. or 7:55, I'm on time. Okay, but what about in time? Well, let's go back to our example about the meeting. Our meeting starts at 10 a.m., but I arrive at 9:30. So now I have arrived in time to do some extra things, such as go to the bathroom or buy a coffee. So I have arrived in time to do these extra activities. Now, sometimes you might hear people use in time when they're talking about something that happens at a specific time. For example, you might hear someone say, I made it to the movie in time, or I made it to the meeting in time. And what this means is that they made it to the meeting or they made it to the movie before it was too late. So they arrived before they missed the movie or the meeting. Now, these two expressions can be pretty tricky, so don't be afraid to ask me any questions in the comments.